Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Ram 2500 fuel filter. This is a crucial maintenance task to keep your diesel engine running smoothly. We will cover replacing both the underhood and underbed filters. Before we begin, make sure you have all your tools ready, including a 28mm socket, a ratchet with extensions, a drain pan, and a new set of fuel filters. Let's get started and keep your truck in top condition. Now let's drain and remove the old filters. First, find the underhood filter housing. Loosen the yellow drain cap by turning it about 1/4 turn with a Phillips screwdriver, allowing fuel to drain into your pan. Once drained, use a 28mm socket and extensions to carefully remove the filter cap, then pull out the old filter and its O-ring. For the underbed filter, disconnect the sensor wire, attach a 3/8-inch hose to the drain, and let the fuel flow. Then, use a filter wrench to unscrew the entire filter assembly. With the old filters out, it's time for installation. Always lubricate new O-rings with clean diesel fuel to prevent pinching and ensure a tight seal. For the underhood filter, place the new O-ring on the housing, insert the new cartridge filter, and hand tighten the cap. Then, use a torque wrench to tighten it to 23 to 25 foot-pounds. For the underbed filter, install its new O-rings, transfer the old sensor to the new filter, and screw the assembly back onto the truck, tightening it until snug. Reconnect the electrical sensor wire. The final steps involve priming the fuel system and performing crucial checks. To prime, turn your ignition to the run position for about 15 seconds, then turn it off for 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle at least 5 to 7 times. It's important not to pre-fill the filter housings. Your truck's electric fuel pump will do this automatically. Once primed, start the engine. Let it idle for a few minutes and thoroughly check both the underhood and underbed filter areas for any fuel leaks. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your fuel filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.